So yes, you can explore the grounds respectively as a public. You just can't go in without calling the caretakers of the house. Pretty cool. Didn't know this was here my entire life, and it's the history of the founder of our community, and we found that he's actually buried not far from here. So maybe after we go to what we're calling chapel, we can check it out. I don't know if it's not too far. Let's go check it out.
Head east on John Road toward Tina Maria Drive.
Let's see. Apparently it's in the woods back there, but this is somebody's like private property.
Gotta go.
Like there is an old-timey fence, you see it?
Yeah.
But like there's no way to access it.
Not if we're like walking there, somebody's.
Like, is there a gate or anything? Look, there's the fence. It's right there. Like, I can see it. It's right there.
Me too.
But this is somebody's property. It's like, it's right there, but this is somebody's property. I don't want to get out. So, it's right there. There it is. But we're not getting out. Like, I don't see the tombstone, but you see this gate, right?
Yeah.
It's right there. So that's weird. Have no idea how to get to it or why it's like that. But yeah, it said turn here, and it was a person's driveway. And there's like a thing back there, looks like where you, like a field, but then there's that fenced in area, but you can't actually get to it. So that's okay. We're going to head into church. I'm going to leave the GoPro to plug up, and I might take a couple of shots on my phone. And then we're going to go the rest of the way on Emory Road until we get to the Halls community and see where our day goes from there. Yeah, that's our service. It's about an hour long Wednesday morning service, mostly seniors, but we met up with another homeschool family that like we want our kids to have that chapel time and just that unique experience of just the revival spirit that seems to be going through America right now. And that's kind of like our little, I'm calling it our little Asbury, because it feels like that stirring of revival in our hearts and passion and desire to like go to church and be hands and feet of Jesus and reaching out and all that. And it's some stuff I normally don't talk about on a video, but it's there. So next we are heading to Walmart. We're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna get some lunch because teenagers are always hungry, and head to Walmart, get lunch, and then we're gonna see if Bargain Hunt has spring summer dresses. Basically, I want something the kids can just like wear, like a t-shirt style dress with some capris for just adventuring and stuff, because you know it's a lot easier just to have a couple pieces to match together. So we're gonna go and see if we can find any of those while the teenagers fight behind me on camera. Sit up.
Give me my bag. Give me it.
Give her the bag.
A day in the life of siblings.
You just left church.
A day in the life of siblings. Always fighting over something.
Teenagers are.
Is it weird? Is it weird for you all to go to a seniors only service?
No.
There's other homeschool kids there. We're not
Well,
gonna
okay.
complain.
Is it weird if the other homeschool kids hadn't been there? Would it have been weird?
No.
Was it a unique experience?
Yeah.
And it does feel different. Like the spirit feels different
Yeah.
for this, right?
Yeah.
Elderly people like kids.
Elderly people like kids. Our elderly people like kids. Why don't we see what else is on Emory Road and get them some food, because they're hungry.
And fighting over a bag.
Okay. There we go. We are back home from the store, and I've decided I'm probably going to break up the video into 2 separate clips of just like finding the Nicholas Gibbs homestead as one clip because it was a lot of footage, like driving. Like y'all haven't even seen all the raw footage that came from that. It was like hours of footage. So I'm going to separate that off and do just the day in the life in one and then the Nicholas Gibbs in the other. So if you're watching this and you haven't seen the Nicholas Gibbs one, us finding the homestead of Nicholas Gibbs, I will include it, or I'll include a link to it up here. But we are home from Walmart and we went to Bargain Hunt, and I'm going to do separate haul videos for those to show you what we did, because that's also like a lot to talk about what we bought, or you know, prices and all that. So going to do that, and then Matt and I have a video, and then the kids are doing, it's one of the ways that our youth group is saving up money for camp, and I really love this because it kind of distributes it and everybody helps to share the load equally. Is the first Monday night of every Wednesday they do $5 Fridays, or $5 Friday. Sorry, my brain is pizza, so my brain was like, wait, Friday? No, it's Wednesday. $5 Pizza Wednesday. And what they're going to do is they sell 2 slices of pizza and a drink for $5, and all of the proceeds go towards the overall cost of camp. Now what that does is it drops the cost down for each individual person, and I love fundraising this way because it's less like, oh well, you can't afford to go to camp, so you need to raise money for camp. And I love the way that our new youth pastor is handling all of that, so it's really cool that they're doing it that way. But I want to try to encourage that, support that. So the kids are going to have that, even though I was planning on like making rice as soon as I came home and doing chicken and rice and like an Asian dish with some of the new sauces we picked up from Aldi's. But we're not going to do that now. Matt and I are going to talk here in a minute and see what we're going to do instead, because also the kids have to be there earlier.